Okay. Okay. As you can see, this is the actual site of construction. The front view. Front view. Okay, now we're going to the left firewall. Okay, that's the left firewall. And now this is the right firewall. Okay. Almost finished. The rear view of the residential house. First and foremost, this is the kitchen. Dirty kitchen. Okay, now we're going to the top view. Okay, so this is also the top view. And now they're still doing the slab. See? This is also another view in the top. This is the first span and it's almost finished. Now we're going to the end view. This is small span is for wait. This is for the CR that yeah, comfort room. Okay. Right now I'm also at the rear view. Okay. There's a lot of things to do. Okay, so as of now, this is it. Thank you for watching this little improvement of this construction here in Las Piñas.